Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the HyperX. Now this is the HyperX QuadCast S. Now this is one of the latest models of HyperX. Today I'm going to do the unboxing and also will do a quick review on how this mic works. Okay, so let's get started. I have not even opened the seal. Okay, so this is my genuine review. I bought this product myself, and today I'm going to give you an honest review. Okay, so first of all, I bought this knife actually from the kitchen. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it out here and let's begin the unboxing. Okay, so now this is the HyperX QuadCast mic. I just want to show you what's inside it. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So this is the manual. First thing I received is this manual. Okay, so let's see what it is all about. HyperX has covered you. So if you want to know details of this manual, I'll just leave it somewhere out here. Okay, so let's do the unboxing of this QuadCast. So it's a black box. I'll make sure that I'll open it slowly so that I do not damage anything. So there is nothing inside it. You can see here QuadCast, HyperX, all the details out here. I'll leave out here. Okay, so I'll just leave the box out here. Let's do. Actually, I do not know how to open it, but let's see. I hope I don't drop it. Okay, so yeah. It looks pretty much slipped. Do I have to cut it? I need some help. Okay, so I hope I do not damage it. So okay, now I learned what to do. Okay, so you just have to pull it with some force. Actually, wow, I do not want to damage it, but let's do the opening now. You can see that this is a brand new QuadCast, HyperX QuadCast S. Now, what I got out here, let's begin with. Okay, so you can see out here, the mic looks awesome. Wow, it's so delicate. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Just look at the mic. It looks so clean. It's heavy, looks steady, looks good. Yeah. Now I got this mic with this stand. Let's keep it out here. Okay, so that you know what it is. And let's look I don't know what it is. This is for the boom arm. Okay, so I got this cable out here. And let's see if I got anything else. A mic and a cable. Okay, so that's it. So this is what we get. Three things. You get the mic with a holder, or you can say with the stand intact. You get this cable, USB cable, and you get this. This is for the boom arm. Okay, so when you are hanging your mic on a boom arm, you will need this. Okay, so anything else? Nothing else. Okay, so you can see out here, this is just a black cover. Okay, so I'll just keep it out here somewhere, and this is the unboxing of HyperX. Now let's get into more details about HyperX. Okay, so we are done with the unboxing. Now I just want to give you some of the features of this microphone, why I chose this microphone over others, and why you should get this microphone. Okay, so some of the features of this microphone is that it's the dynamic RGB lighting effect. That means you can customize the lighting of this RGB from the app called NGENUITY software. Okay, so it also has an anti-vibration sock mount. Okay, so this is the sock mount which you can see, which is anti-vibration. Okay, so next thing is you get a tap to mute sensor with LED indicator. Okay, so on top of this mic, there's a you just have to put your hand out here to mute it or unmute it. Okay, so it has a LED indicator to know whether your microphone is muted or unmuted. Okay, so it also has 4 selectable polar patterns. Okay, so if you see what's this closely out here, there are 4 selectable polar patterns. Okay, so it's omnidirectional, stereo mode, cardioid, and one more. I think I forgot what's another one, but I'll let you know. Okay, so yeah, because this is the mic I just bought. Okay, so I just did the unboxing in front of you. Okay, so I have a lot of things to try. Okay, so let's see. It has also convenient gain control adjustment. Okay, so you can also choose how sensitive your mic you want. Okay, so you can choose this from this under the mic. Okay, so next feature of this mic is the internal pop filter. So you do not have to buy any external pop filter because it has inbuilt pop filter, which I loved about this mic. Okay, so next thing is built-in headphone jack. Now if you want to listen what you are speaking to live, that means at the same time on you can always insert a jack out here, headphone jack, and you can listen to your own voice. Okay, so multi-device and program compatibility. Now these are some of the features of this mic. So I just want you to understand the polar patterns of this mic. Okay, so it has the stereo modes. Stereo modes is for people who wants to do vocals and instruments. Okay, so stereo modes are the sound which this microphone captures is from 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3 sides. Okay, stereo mode, stereo polar patterns. Okay, it's for vocals and instrumentals. And the next polar patterns is the omnidirectional, where multi-person podcast. Okay, so whether you are doing multi-person podcast or conference calls, that means that this mic is in the middle of the room and there are a lot of people, or you are doing a conference call. This will you have to just switch it to omnidirectional pattern. Now next is the cardioid pattern, which I love the most because it's for podcast streaming and it's for voiceovers, and it's also can be used for instrumentals. Okay, so the fourth and last polar patterns is for bi-directional, that means face-to-face interviews. Now what I like about this microphone is that it has all these polar patterns which you can choose, which you can adjust, which you can do according to our needs. Okay, so this mic is very, very affordable, and this is something which gives a lot of clarity on your voice. Okay, so right now I'm just recording my voiceovers from my mobile. Now on my next video I'll start working on this mic, and I'll also give you all the details. Okay, I'll give you full review on it because actually I've already I know more about this mic because my friend has bought this mic and I've used his mic on his channel, and it is an awesome mic. But also I'll also do my review myself so that you guys get the best. Okay, you guys can decide whether to buy this model or not. Okay, so now this mic is the QuadCast HyperX QuadCast S model. Okay, so you will also get HyperX QuadCast model only, but you do not have the ability to change the RGB colors. Okay, so it's only plain red RGB. That means you won't get RGB function on QuadCast model. Okay, so you want to get the HyperX QuadCast S to get the RGB functions. Okay, so that you can get the RGB lightings, customizable NGENUITY software, tap to mute sensor is also there on the previous mic. Stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bi-directional polar is also available on that mic. The only extra function is the customizable RGB. Okay, so if you want to get this this microphone, you can always go to the link on the description of this video and you can get it. Okay, I'll leave it out here. Now there are other technical details which I'm just looking at the website so that I know you want to know. If you want to know, you can always go to the link and get to know the technical details. Okay, for the main purpose of this video was to do the unboxing of this premium microphone. I just wanted to see what it is, whether the look of it is awesome. It looks premium. It looks really slick. It's small. It fits on the table out here. It has a cable. You can also fit it on the boom arm. Maybe I'll just fit it out here, or I'll just leave it like that. Okay, I find this very attractive. Okay, so everything on the website, everything whatever it's told on the website, and whatever I got after purchasing this mic, it's real, it's true, and I highly recommend you guys to go and get this microphone. But don't buy it before I do the actual review of this microphone. I'll just test it out here and make another video on it. Okay, so if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I make videos on making money online, and I also do reviews on whatever I buy, so that you guys can know more about the products. And if you want to buy it, it will always be on the link on the description of this video. Thank you very much for staying till the end of this video. You guys are awesome. Bye bye.